Mention the important objective of advertising. Describe the perspective under which social implication of advertising can be described. Answer. The main objective of advertising is to sell product or services. In order to do this, the advertiser has to communicate the offering of producer to the ultimate consumers. According to Huigi and Mitchell, the purpose of advertising is to sell goods, services, or ideas to a large group of prospective purchasers. The following are the other important objectives of advertising. Promoting new product. Advertising is most essential when a new product is introduced in the market. In this way, advertisement may be used for preparing a ground for sale of new product. Creating awareness. Advertisement helps in building awareness about new product or services. Generating demands. Advertisement or advertising creates a favorable atmosphere for maintaining or improving sales. The prospective customers may be inducted to buy a product by informing them about the comparative quality, price, and other attributes of the product. Educate the consumers and users. Advertising provides information to the consumers which educates them about the product, helps in building brand image and brand loyalty. Through repetition of advertisement, brand image can be built in the mind of customers, which helps in create brand loyalty. Forming attitude. Advertisement helps in forming positive attitude towards any product or services. Facing competition. The producer informs the consumer about the price, quality, and availability of the product, which helps in eliminating competition. Informing about the changes to the consumers. It informs the consumers about the changes in quality, packing, design, size, price, etc. Forcing middlemen to handle the product. The objective of advertising is to force the middleman to handle a particular product by creating popularity among customers. Performing selling job. The objective of advertising is to perform selling function. In mail order business, the selling function is performed by advertisement. Assisting salesman effort. Advertising also assists the salesman's efforts in increasing sales of a product. Since the advertisement educates the customers about the product, the function of the salesman remains simply to sell the product. The social implication of advertising can be analyzed from various perspectives, including its impact on individual behaviors, societal values, and cultural norms. This perspective examines how advertising shapes perceptions, influences purchasing discussion, and contributes to broader social traits, both positively and negatively. Social values and cultural norms. Advertising plays a significant role in shaping social values and cultural norms by promoting certain lifestyles, behaviors, and attitudes. It can reinforce or challenges existing social norms, influencing perceptions of beauty, success, and happiness. For example, advertising for luxury goods might promote materialism and conspicuous consumption, while advertising promoting sustainability could encourage environmentally conscious behavior. Advertisers also use cultural symbols and narratives to connect with consumers, which can both reflect and shape cultural trends. Individual behavior and psychology. Advertising influences individual behaviors by shaping perceptions, creating desires, and triggering emotion responses. Advertisement also play on psychological factors like cognitive biases and social proof to influence decision making. Economic impact. Advertising is a powerful economic force funding media outlets, driving competition, and influencing consumers' spending. It can stimulate economic growth by promoting new products and services, but it can also contribute to overconsumption and debate. Ethical considerations. Advertising raises ethical concerns about the potential for manipulation, deception, and the promoting of harmful products. Critics argue that advertising can exploit vulnerabilities, distort information, and promote unrealistic exceptions. Social responsibility. Advertising have a social responsibility to ensure their companies are ethical, transparent, and promote positive social changes. Some companies are using advertising to promote social goods, showcasing their commitment to social responsibility and building brand loyalty, etc. In conclusion, analyzing the social implication of advertisement requires considering its multifaceted impact on individual society and the economic. Understanding this perspective in crucial for developing responsibility advertising practices and promoting a more ethical and socially conscious advertising landscape. Thank you. যদিহে আপোনালোকে ৱৰ্ডসমূহ বুজাত অসুবিধা হৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে কিতাপৰ পৰা সেই ৱৰ্ডসমূহৰ ভালদৰে চাই ল'ব পাৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।